Hey Jeff, this is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found by giving people a few different steps that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some business owners raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. However, there are no strings attached to this video. I do not expect you to use my services. I genuinely just want to be helpful and help somebody grow their business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm totally cool with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help people out. So now let me show you these 2 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content and keywords. A buyer intent keyword that somebody's going to search for your service, like you told me the other day, is going to be live receptionist. So they plug that into Google, and we come down here, we'll go past all these ads, and we come to virtualheadquarters.com. They're the #1 leading company for that keyword. So that's going to be the website that we'll be comparing yours to today. Going back to content, content is king in Google's eyes whenever it comes to ranking a website. They want to see at least 1,500 words worth of content on any home pages, followed by 500 to 750 words worth of content on any back pages and service pages. And they also want it to be rich with keywords that you're trying to rank for your service, and that's going to be beneficial to the people that are interacting with your website. So whenever Google goes to crawl a website, anything that you can highlight on a page is what they consider as content that take it to your ranking factor. So I took your page, plugged it into word counter, you're sitting at 400 words. So that's a pretty good bit short of the 1,500 word mark. And we go over here to virtual headquarters. I did the exact same thing with theirs. Word counter, almost 2,900 words. So if we were to start working together and we did a bit of an overhaul on your web page, we would probably shoot for 3,500 words worth of content. That way, that's just one more thing that we're beating the competition out in. That being said, we're going to jump over to what keywords are and how you can target different keywords. And I have this cool tool called Ahrefs that I can take any domain, I can plug it in, and I can see a bunch of different metrics. Right here is yours. So we're looking at 9 backlinks, 5 referring domains, 3 organic keywords. And it looks like y'all created this website back in about mid-November. And domain age is also a ranking factor in Google. So you want to have an older domain. It's going to rank higher and higher over time just because of age, but you can definitely speed up the process by attacking the things that we're going over in this video. And we're going to go back to the keywords and jump over here to virtual headquarters and take a look at theirs. We'll go take a look at their overview real fast. You see they have a bunch of backlinks, a high number of referring domains, 1,200 keywords, and 1,800 traffic coming to their website a month. So that's definitely a needle mover for a lot of websites if they can have 1,800 traffic coming in a month. And we'll go take a look at their keywords just so I can kind of show you where all that traffic is coming from. So right here we have the keyword live receptionist, 150 search volume a month, and the difficulty of ranking is an 18, which is getting them 103 traffic per month just from that one keyword by being in position #1. And you can see some of these down here have even higher search volume. I mean, phone answering service, 2,900 search volume. Now, it is a more difficult keyword to rank for, and it would definitely take some time to do so. But just by being in position #9, they're sitting at 95 traffic a month. So imagine what position #1 is doing. That's probably, I would say, at least 2,000 search volume a month going to their website just because of one keyword that they're in the #1 spot for. You can kind of take a look at all the rest of these that people would be targeting. A good one to start off with would be outsourced receptionist, because it's going to be a little bit easier to rank for, so it'd get you more traffic kind of in the short term rather than, this 50 difficulty keyword to rank for. But that being said, I want to jump to the next thing I want to talk about today, which are going to be the backlinks that I've mentioned a couple times so far. A backlink is essentially where one website points to another website, and by doing so, it's passing authority to the website that it's pointing to. So whenever it comes to backlinking, Google treats it kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see that your website has a lot of links coming to it from other websites, because that lets Google know that, you are the authority in that field. And that's making a big impact with like virtual headquarters, because they have all these different domains pointing to them. And it's giving them this power. Their URL rating is a 10 and their domain rating is a 34, which isn't too hard to beat. Once again, that's one of those things that you just kind of beat with over time. by adding backlinks, every week and every month, and trying to target a certain number, because Google wants to see you do it in what they consider an organic fashion. That way they know that you're not just going in here and pumping a bunch of stuff to your website trying to rank for keywords just off the cuff. They want you to prove that you are the power and the authority. But that's what a backlink is. We can actually go in here and look at these different backlinks that they're using. So we would be able to go in and target the same backlinks that your competition's using, and then go out and find even more backlinks to use for your own site. But with that being said, I want to touch on the two things that we talked about today. So number one was the content. You want to have at least 1,500 words worth of content that's dense in keywords on your homepage. In this instance, you would need to have anywhere, I would say 3,500 to 4,000 words worth of content on your homepage. Probably go 1,500 words or so on any back pages and service pages, because that's gonna give Google a lot of content to really recognize and say, okay, these guys really know what they're talking about. They're trying to provide value to the community that is searching for them, so on and so forth. The second thing we talked about were the backlinks. You want to go out, you want to find high authority relative backlinks to your service that Google can recognize as pointing back to you and saying, okay, this web page is the authority. They are the popular web page that has the info that people are looking for. But with all of that being said, you can take this information, you can use it yourself, and you can use it to become number one across all of Google. It'll just take some time. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 903-715-7876. I'm more than willing to chat and answer any questions you might have. Like I said, I've built this business because I have a passion for helping business owners, and it's a really useful tool for them to get a hold of. Because, if you can rank a website in today's digital age, you're going to have a lot of leads coming in, because that's how everybody finds the services that they want. But once again, my name is Zach. My number is 903-715-7876, and I really look forward to hearing from you. I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks. Bye.